Sportive. God, kadagang candy.
Ang Balgon Fury. Patek Phoenix Racing.
Katongkoan?
In a quarter mile, use the second from the left lane, then left onto North 30th.
Agay, piskot.
Wapo lagi kayo na. Dili lagi pinakakita na ko sa may tabo. Dili may tabo. Awa din na, nama din. So ikaw?
Oo. Tanga, gagawin.
Siyan? Siyan? Siyan sa ko.
So, andito kami sa Busch Garden. Busch Garden, ano ako naka fan card kasi sila Christian, sila Christine. And then ako is platinum, naka annual pass. So, we can go here anytime. Sir, kuya, kay sleepy na siya, kuya. Kuya, no, kuya, sleepy na siya.
Kita ka lang sa kataas na.
Nagwazi.
Lalalala, ay yatay mo, mas lala pa na pinag-isang ka na na-stuck mo ba?
Uy, kataas. Uy, sportive. Sakay na mo, dali. Huh? Can't. We don't have a penny.
Wanna cry? Ikaw.
How many you guys want to do?
10.
Oh my God, tanga.
Alright.
Oh, a little short.
Tanga ajud, uy.
Nice try.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Uy, itulak to, daddy. Itulak. Hello, dali, picture mo, dali. Dali, uy,
Over here, we're gonna have a science class with my professor, Professor Buckland. And then over there, we're gonna do a costume parade, which is like a fashion run, like, wear your outfit today.
That's just the bubbles. Go to the bubbles, baby. Come on. Go to the bubbles. Go to the bubbles.
No worries. You can always bring your friends and your parents on the costume parade too.
Oh, this is smaller. Okay, kung gabay nito, yata sa mata.
Che.
It looks like we have some over here. Are you guys excited for the science class? Me too. To the right. Introducing the perfect, peculiar, never negative,
Wala nang igamit ang electric fan ko eh. Ayaw sa kay malubat.
Professor.
Let's go trick or treat there. Okay, Travis there. Did you see that? There's a cannon. They can go trick or treat. Let's go.
Wow, trick or treat.
Mana gani? Kedua gani siya.
Like right now, they don't really.
Oh, what's the? Sila ka na sila.
Dito mo lang, tuyok na dito. Kasi tayo napasin.
Yan, mata na. Dito, pinto niyo.
God, kadagang candy. Natagak. Okay.
I want that, Mama.
I don't know what is that.
Wala po. Gabay lang ang tag soup.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Where are you going? Ay, balik. Asa man ka? Good morning. It's September 26, 9:30 a.m. And there's a storm. Warning. Zone A should evacuate now. Pero Zone C man me. So, chill lang eh. I think mga 8 p.m. pa siya maglandfall or mag-agi din 7 to 8 p.m. Pero nag-ulan-ulan na siya and then hangin. Ba? Asa man ang ba? Bubbles! Bubbles! You want bubbles? Bubbles ta, dali! Bubbles si Austin and Mama! Who's that? Is that Austin? Is that Austin? Ba? Let's see.
Mama, we're playing.
No! The bata na hilabtan na.
Look, kuya.
Cute, Mama. Look.
Wow! What's wow? That is wow, right?
Teddy bear.
Cry. Cry, baby. Happy. What is the sound of the dog? Whoop, whoop.
Luto lang yung diri.
Mainit siya, pero oh my God. Look at the clouds. Uy! Bonita, no? After sa store, after sa hurricane, init na tayo. Welcome to Florida. Yo, there's an airplane! Hi, guys! Hi! Good afternoon! So, we are here at the mall kasi we don't have power sa bahay since last night pa because of the hurricane. And then, so, super init sa bahay. So, we decided na mag-mall. And then, since hindi pa kami kumakain kasi we can't heat up a food man. Kaya wala gani kuryente. Narita, asa ta? Hi, good afternoon. For people? Just one high chair, please. Okay, sure. Okay. Nana? Okay, thank you. Austin, come here. No, let's go. Okay. Okay, go sit here. Go sit there.
Yeah.
Do what? Because for eating.
Mama, give me that. Let's eat. I want burger. Mama, I want burger. Mama, I want.
You want burger?
Hello, my name's Alexa. We're taking care of you guys. Hello. Hey, Brian, you guys all started with a drink?
You get a ginger ale?
I have ginger ale, but it comes in an individual can / bottle.
Alright,
Ours
that's
was
okay.
not very
Can they have lemonade?
Yeah, I've got classic strawberry, peach, and
Drinks.
peach.
What do you want?
Maybe
Drinks?
strawberry.
Just some bread for the
I'm sorry?
table. Bread for the table? Sure. Absolutely. Go ahead and get that working. You get a little bit of time to get settled.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
You guys have them.
Say hi.
Ito na yung niya?
Naghatag siya bread.
Strawberry lemonade here.
Thank you.
And then fries or fruit for those?
Fries.
Fries.
Fries. All right.
Can I have just like the Alfredo pasta?
Yeah, absolutely. Do we want to do the lunch or the dinner portion?
Just the lunch.
Lunch. All right.
Hot?
You didn't blow it? Ay, slice lang. Gamay lang kayo.
Meron muna.
Ayun,
Right,
ayun.
you guys.
Yes, thank you.
Do we need anything?
I think we're good.
Very good.
Thank you. Go. Nana. Just oh my god! Oh my god! Careful! You watch what? You watch where you're going. Careful! You watch the ano where you're going. Ayaw na. Uy, bangga ta. Let's go! Let's go! Hala, hala, hala. Lexa, oh.